This 2018 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2070BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wabash, Indiana, 46992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.